Welcome to Bybit Mobile, your gateway to on-the-go crypto trading. Let's explore how it's revolutionizing mobile finance. Discover a user-friendly interface that caters to both novices and pros, making crypto trading accessible to everyone. Explore advanced trading tools right at your fingertips, empowering you to make informed decisions on the move. Dive into a diverse world of cryptocurrencies, with a wide range of options available for trading. Unlock the power of derivatives trading with perpetual and futures contracts, all from your mobile device. Experience the future with seamless Web3 integration and easy access to DeFi opportunities. Trade with confidence, knowing that robust security measures are in place to protect your assets and transactions. Enjoy peace of mind with round-the-clock customer support, always ready to assist you. Seamlessly switch between iOS and Android devices, ensuring you're always connected to the crypto markets. Learn the ropes with educational resources and hone your skills using a risk-free testnet environment. Enjoy flexibility with multiple crypto and fiat options for deposits and transfers, streamlining your trading experience. Understand the app's limitations and regional restrictions to ensure responsible and compliant trading. Ready to unleash crypto power in your pocket? Click below to create your Bybit account and start trading now.